Meet EG Planner, the world's first AI-powered production planning platform, built for the way garment groups actually run. Multi-factory, multi-buyer, multi-process planning is where margin is won or lost. EG Planner is live in over 150 factories. Feed it your execution history, and Autopilot lays a full, balanced plan across every line, 50 or 500, in a single pass. The method is simple. Take your sales orders, build load lists, select the scope, hit Autopilot, and review a successful plan. Everything sits on one drag and drop board, up to 24 months of your whole group, with multiple planners working at once. Set true capacity for every process and business unit, and load is scored against it in real time. Overbooking shows up as a color, not a missed shipment. Define your supply chain route once, and EG Planner generates an accurate, date-phased requirement plan for every process, and the machines to run it. Track every order from confirmation to shipment, and see capacity, load and FOB months ahead, so delays surface while there's still time to fix them. Build your own dashboards and reports with drag and drop, and connect two-way to any legacy ERP, keep your system of record, and plan on top of it. For New Asia Group, we integrated EG Planner with their existing ERP and brought 400 sewing lines onto one platform, delivered white-labeled as Proactive Plan. Trusted by garment groups across Bangladesh, Vietnam and South Korea. EG Planner, plan with intelligence, on your own floor. By efficient ERP